Hello everyone. Today we're learning how to say and pronounce the 12 months of the year in Greek. In modern Greek, each month usually has two versions. One is the official form, which you will see in calendars, books, and formal writing, and the other one is the traditional and everyday Greek, which is what Greeks actually use in daily spoken language. We will go through each month step by step from January all the way to December, and I will guide you through the pronunciation slowly so you can follow along. Ιανουάριος, Γενάρης. Ιανουάριος, Γενάρης. Φεβρουάριος, Φλεβάρης. Φεβρουάριος, Φλεβάρης. Μάρτιος, Μάρτης. Μάρτιος, Μάρτης. Απρίλιος, Απρίλης. Απρίλιος, Απρίλης. Μάιος, Μάης. Μάιος, Μάης. Ιούνιος, Ιούνις. Ιούνιος, Ιούνις. Ιούλιος, Ιούλης. Ιούλιος, Ιούλης. Αύγουστος, Αύγουστος. Αύγουστος, Αύγουστος. This month has only one version. Σεπτέμβριος, Σεπτέμβρης. Σεπτέμβριος, Σεπτέμβρης. Οκτώβριος, Οκτώβρης. Οκτώβριος, Οκτώβρης. Νοέμβριος, Νοέμβρης. Νοέμβριος, Νοέμβρης. Δεκέμβριος, Δεκέμβρης. Δεκέμβριος, Δεκέμβρης. Ιανουάριος, Φεβρουάριος, Μάρτιος, Απρίλιος, Μάιος, Ιούνιος, Ιούλιος, Αύγουστος, Σεπτέμβριος, Οκτώβριος, Νοέμβριος, Δεκέμβριος. Γενάρης, Φλεβάρης, Μάρτης, Απρίλης, Μάης, Ιούνις, Ιούλης, Αύγουστος, Σεπτέμβρης, Οκτώβρης, Νοέμβρης, Δεκέμβρης. And that's all the 12 months in Greek. Now you have learned both the official and the traditional names, and you have also practiced how to pronounce them correctly. Keep in mind that both versions are still used today, so you will hear them in different situations depending on who you're speaking with. See you in the next video.